The Galeon 680 Fly is the perfect evolution between lightweight carbon fiber technologies and the performance of high-powered engines. As we come in the boat, we're going to see a light interior, making the Salon a beautiful, large area. Some things we want to take note of are the large, expansive cockpit, the large windows in the Salon, letting the natural light in. This is a new Galeon 680 Fly, and we're going to see some special features on this boat. I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax. Welcome aboard. So the Galeon 680 Fly features a number of unique, different options. Some of the big parts are opening windows here, and as you come into the galley, take note of this new interior. But one of the key features right now on this boat is the on-deck head. On the Galeon 680 Fly, take note of the beautiful lighting, the contemporary feeling of the boat. This boat features some new options I'd like to point out to you. You've got a table here that opens and closes. It also collapses, goes down, and then this makes into a large Salon bed seating area. Let me show you why. You've got a TV that comes up for your own private entertainment salon area. So take a look at the high-end, luxurious galley. Take note also of the opening and closing window. The Galeon 680 Fly has many distinct features, and as we come up forward, I want you to notice the contemporary high technology Helm featuring Raymarine electronics, man displays for your man 1200 horsepower engines. This boat has the bow and stern thrusters. This boat also has the Aventix joystick control. You have your throttle controls here. Just a great, comfortable, protected helm area for you to enjoy. Now we're walking forward on the Galeon 680 Fly. We're walking straight ahead into the VIP cabin. Take a look at the island berth. Makes it easy for both parties to get on and off. The luxurious bathroom, contemporary styling, a nice Samsung TV here in the cabin. Now we walk in starboard guest quarters. You'll see the styling, the design, looking into the head on this cabin. Again, similar materials, just giving you a nice warm feeling, and you don't feel like you're down below on a boat. I talked about one of the unique features on this particular Galeon 680 Fly, and this is it. They've taken one of the cabins on the port side and they've made it a utility, which I absolutely love, because a lot of my owners don't utilize the 4 cabins. And so this makes it an easy place to do your laundry, to fold your laundry, and to store your cleaning supplies. Just a great, well thought out layout. Now we're in one of my favorite cabins. This is the master cabin. Huge windows down here, and we're right next to the water. It's fantastic, the contemporary lighting. Check this out. Cool fridge. You can keep your waters in so you don't have to get up in the middle of the night and go up top. Look at the large screen TV. Contemporary styling, huge area over here, makeup area. But my favorite part of this cabin is the master bath. Dual sinks, contemporary lighted mirror, beautiful shower area. Who wouldn't want to be in this cabin? The 680 Fly is often described as feeling larger than many yachts in its size class. Owners like the open plan, Salon, the oversized windows, and the way the indoor and outdoor areas blend together. One of the standout features is the Flybridge. It's among the largest in its size. And as we are up here, just some really cool features. Take a look at this awning that covers this entire table area. How many of your friends and family could we fit around here? Some other notable features up here. Take a look at the synthetic teak. You're not going to get the staining. You got a contemporary bar area up here. Did you see and feel your family up here with some music, having a few drinks, laughing, enjoying the outside? And look what you get with the Galeon 680 Fly, a large Flybridge. Great 360-degree view, seating, great sun pad area, but all the same features you had down below on the Helm, you have right here. And you can see, using this area, driving this boat, and taking your family to a unique destination that's priceless. We're up on the bow area now of the Galeon 680 Fly. You've got movable seating, great table. Take a look at this awning. It's just a beautiful, well thought out boat. With a total length of 72 feet and 10 inches, a beam of 17.3, a draft of 4 feet 7 inches, 879 gallons of fuel, manned 1,200 horsepower engines, performance, going to be looking around 30 knots, top end, cruise speed of 27 knots. This boat is incredible. It's located at MarineMax, Pompano Yacht Center. Come bring your family aboard and get a feel for what this boat really is about. I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax Pompano Yacht Center. I look forward to seeing you out on the water.